I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you qualify. Google requires original content, policy compliance, and your legal identity. Once done, assemble documentation, government ID, tax info, bank details, and site analytics. Make sure the site you plan to acquire has verifiable traffic history and no policy strikes. If you do not already have an approved account, open one now instead of seeking illicit transfers. Buying a property is acceptable only when you can legally attach your own Adsense account. Next, perform a detailed audit. Check traffic sources, look for spam or scraped content, and confirm no manual actions in Search Console. Once satisfied, request 6 months of payment records and analytics access. Validate those numbers yourself. Use an escrow service for funds and require transfer of domain, hosting, and full account access, not just Adsense credentials. Make sure your agreement includes warranties about policy compliance and clean history before you proceed. Finally, attach the purchase site to your own approved Adsense account. Do not use someone else's account credentials. Update payment and tax settings and replace ad codes with those from your account. Rescan content and placements for compliance and monitor earnings for the first 30 days. If ads are disabled after transfer, check Search Console for manual actions, review policy violations, and prepare a clear appeal with timestamps, audit logs, and proof of ownership to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.